there's a lot of foreign competition coming into Jamaica, which is good for Jamaica and the economy. And it also makes our Jamaican-owned and operated businesses have to step to the plate and step up their game, and they are doing that. I see it every day here in the grill. People putting their all into their businesses, adding on, painting, fixing up, coming up with new innovative ideas, new menu items. Today, I want to thank Mikey Campbell for coming up with the idea for this documentary. We're going to be visiting some of these hardworking and wonderful people. The ones that don't have storefronts will be meeting us at Treehouse. Thanks to Gail Biggs Jackson Brooks for allowing us to come there for their interviews. And then we're going to hit the road and visit some of our JOAO businesses in person.